Any traffic advice?
Patience beats horns.
That's right. You heard the bird.
Any idea who caused the accident?
Everyone was confident.
Yo, you're a witness. What did you see?
Confidence without brakes.
Oh, wow.
Folks, just a fender tap. Nobody's hurt, no damage to speak of. We'll swap info and be on our way. Any advice for them?
Like more. Hot left.
You heard the bird!
Can you help me control traffic?
Emotionally, no.
Think insurance will cover this?
Only patience.
What should I write?
Lesson learned.
That's right.
That could have been worse. They chose drama, not speed.
PARROT?
Anything to add?
Signal earlier.
Any idea who caused the accident?
Everyone was confident. Oh, that's good. That's a good one.
Ready to move on? Crowd isn't.
Did you hear?
I'm serious.
Was anyone hurt?
Only pride.
Explain that crash.
Overconfidence met gravity.
Oh, wow.
Okay, noted.
Think insurance will be happy?
No one is.
You saw everything, didn't you?
I blinked once.
Why is everyone calm?
Hey, Ronnie Power.
Good one. What? Why is everyone calm?
They saw it coming.
Ah, good one.
Did that just happen?
Yes. In slow confidence.
Who's responsible here?
Everyone felt right.
Did you see what just happened?
Yes. Bad parking energy.
Could this have been avoided?
With patience.
Could this have been avoided?
With patience.
Who learned the most today?
Everyone watching.
Anything drivers should remember?
Slow down to ride.
What caused this accident?
Too much confidence, not enough distance.
Were they paying attention?
To themselves?